3, 2, 1, go! Red team's moving on in. They seem to be really going for it. Oh, shots are flying. Shots are flying. We got someone back there. They're trying to capture the flag.
You have to walk back to the base.
I got you too.
You have to go back to your base.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Don't forget that. Yeah. Remember, you got to flip them over. Hey, remember, capture the points. Don't just walk past them. If you don't capture the point, it doesn't matter. Oh shit, what we got?
Wait, what are we, blue?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, we need help. Shield is here.
Oh no! Oh no! Joe, go low.
Oh no, we got a whole battle going on here. Remember, blue team has 2 captures. Blue team has 2 points. Blaster hits count. Blaster hits count. Red has 2 capture points. Red has 2 capture points.
If we capture the point, do we just win?
No. Where's blue stick? You gotta put it back.
Yeah, the guy at the Prometheus got it.
Ah, I ran for it. We got some, thank you. Make sure it's your team. Red is still, oh no! Blue's in the lead!
Oh no!
Oh, I missed that.
Protection. Flip it.
Red is now in the lead! Oh no.
Get him! He's reloading!
Oh!
Damn. Damn.
He's a ninja! You gotta flip the flag! You gotta flip the flag! You gotta flip it.
Make straight time.
Red is still in the lead! Red has all 3 points! Oh, I missed the crossfire. I turned in time.
Oh, I need help. Help over here.
Oh, there's all the action.
I got you, defense.
Red's completely and utterly decimating. Blue, you gotta get a ninja in there. Push it. You guys gotta push it. If you don't run it, it's never gonna work. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
Need help. Shield holder is here.
That is time! Round 1 goes to red team! Congratulations, everybody!